I didn't want to say it, but I did. You know that feeling you get after a long day and all you want to do is take your bra off? Well, girl, I can tell you one thing for free. I actually don't want to take this thing off at all. If your bra feels uncomfortable by the end of the day, then you probably don't have the right one. If your bra digs in, rolls up, or it's just not doing its job, it's not supportive, then we need to have a chat. Now, I'll be honest, I didn't expect to be reviewing a bra on this channel, but when I find something that's worth talking about, I am not gonna gatekeep anything from you. Let's see if this bra holds up to the test, shall we? I've picked up this bra from Celeste D'or Curve. This is literally a viral bra. It doesn't have wiring and it's got jelly in it. So let's have a little looky, shall we? I haven't even got it out of the bag yet and it already feels unreal. Woo! Jelly, jelly, jelly. First impressions, feels super stretchy, but like also super supportive at the same time. Holy, amazing. These feel like super like lightweight. Like, you know, sometimes when your bras are just, they don't feel lightweight. You know what I mean? They honestly just feel like super lightweight. I don't know how to describe it, but it's just like, it just feels nice. It just feels like it's gonna hug the girls and it's gonna feel like you're not wearing anything. Can I just say that this doesn't have like any kind of push up on the inside, but I have never felt so supported. My God, look at this bra. Stunning. I genuinely feel like I'm not wearing anything. This is amazing. And like there's no underwire at the bottom. It literally sits on your skin so nicely. Wow. All right, Celeste D'or. We're coming through with the goods. I literally can't believe that this has no underwire, but it gives the same effect and the same support as a wired bra. Like, it literally just feels so comfortable. It's like a natural lift without any padding, which is awesome as well because your girl has always needed padding in her bras. It feels seamless, it feels smooth. It's like, I don't know, super soft and stretchy fabric, and I feel like it just hugs your shape so freaking nicely. Like it literally does not dig into my skin at all. And it feels like it will be really nice for like every single day wear. It also looks like it'll be really nice for like fuller bust as well. So if you are a big titty gal, then this feels super supportive and still super freaking soft. Like, oh my God, I'm having a field day. So obviously as well, just hitting a really important point is it does have adjustable straps. So if you are a short torso queen like me, then you will be able to adjust this no problemo. Or if you're a longer torso gal, then totally fine as well. But honestly, it literally just feels like the best booby case ever. Alrighty, let's put this thing to the test. Let's see what it looks like underneath one of my current go-to tops. Ooh, okay. I normally wear a sports bra underneath this, but honestly, girl, not anymore. Real bras are back. This is sitting so nicely. It feels so comfortable, and it literally feels like I'm not wearing anything underneath. Wow. Do you think anyone would notice if I wore this to the gym as a crop top? Because I really freaking want to, but I don't want to get kicked out. I actually really like this one even more so than the first one. This feels like it's like even supporting me even more, but they literally feel the same. Like it still feels like I'm wearing nothing. It still has adjustable straps, feels incredible, and it feels like I could wear this like literally all day. It feels really nice like around, like on my bust as well. Super freaking cute, super comfortable. You can adjust it at the back if you need, and you've also got the adjustable straps. Oh my God. Girl, go get yourself one of these right now. I think it's only fair that we test this bra against my favorite sports bra. Now, my favorite sports bra is very, very supportive. It has padding on the inside, which is removable. However, this padding feels really squishy. Like it definitely has like a push up inside it. Whereas this bra has no push, but it still feels supportive. Like this actually feels so much more comfortable straight off the bat, literally just holding the two in your hands. I'll try it on and I'll show you the difference. But honestly, at this point, I just literally want to wear this bra to the gym. They both do have a very similar buckle at the back, so you can still clip and tighten and loosen if you please. My sports bra does not have adjustable straps, which isn't a problem. It does fit me nicely, but it's always nice to have an option. Obviously, sports bras can be a little bit different like that, but let's try it on and see how they compare next to each other. Now, don't get me wrong. If you are a runner, you're probably still gonna want to wear a sports bra because it does definitely feel a lot more supportive. But also in saying that, trying on the two back to back, this one still feels like restrictive, whereas the bra itself doesn't feel restrictive at all. But if you are going for a run, I would definitely still go something with more support. However, if you're just lifting weights like I do, then girl, there's no need for this amount of support. You could literally get away with wearing the bra. So I don't know, do we like my favorite sports bra better or do we like the actual bra better? I'm actually gonna have to go and test both of these out at the gym because genuinely right now, I actually can't decide. Alrighty, let's test this Celeste D'or bra right next to my current bra. Now, my current bra is old. It does have a lot of padding on the inside, like it is very squishy. I do like padding on the inside, but this actually feels heavier compared to this. Like I actually cannot tell you how heavy this feels compared to having this. The straps feel really different. They both still do have adjustable straps. They both still got the same amount of like rungs on them so you can tighten or loosen them depending on how tight or loose you want it. But this underwire has got to go. Like that feeling of like you want to take your bra off at the end of the day, that is this bra. Taking a bra off at the end of the day with this bra, you don't want to take it off because it literally feels like you're wearing nothing. As you can see over time too, like this is getting quite loose, frayed. It feels and looks gross. But these bras, like they don't look like they have that like yuckiness. I don't know how to describe it. What do you think of Mommy's new bra? Do you like it? Is it comfortable? Should everyone go buy one? Do you want to tell everyone what the price is like? Okay, so let's talk about the price point. Now, the bra that I'm currently wearing and this also deep seamless jelly bra, you have these on sale from $99.95 to literally $59.95. Are you freaking kidding me? Guys, go and get your freaking hands on one of these or two or three of these right the heck now and you will not be disappointed. Now, the seamless everyday push-up bra, this is on sale from $19.95 currently on their website to $62.95. Even if these bras weren't on sale, compared to other bras that you see in stores, some of the bras range from like, I don't know, $60 to $70, $80 potentially. Spending the extra coin if these weren't on sale, still 100% worth it. One, they are so much more comfortable. You want to wear them every day. And two, the other bras that I'm seeing are actually freaking ugly. I didn't want to say it, but I did. If you are someone who is struggling to find a bra and you literally want to be comfortable all day, I promise you, if you go and buy one of these, you will have your life changed. I don't know if I've ever been so passionate about a bra before. If you want to be comfortable, I promise you, these are the bras that you need to go and buy. If I can get a discount code for you guys, I will leave it down in the description box below. But oh my God, my mind is literally blown. Like if you have not got a bra in a while, if you're due for an upgrade, or even if you're not due for an upgrade and you just want to go and splurge on something, go and buy one of these things, seriously. Thank you so much for watching. If you did make it this far, I would love if you could please leave me a little like down below, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, drop a comment, let me know if you went and bought one of these bras and let me know what you think. I love creating content for you guys and I love doing all of these review videos. So maybe even let me know down below, what do you want to see me review next? Because I'm kind of loving these videos at the moment. In the meantime, don't forget to be bright, be bold, be you, and I will see you in the next one. Bye! Thanks for supporting me.